Everybody wants some, but nobody's getting any. That's right, it's money. How can you make more money before you go to bed tonight? Look, everybody wants more money. People want financial peace, financial security. They want to drive a car that doesn't break down every time they get in it. They want something dependable. They want to take care of their families. They want to have better stuff. They want to travel. All these different things. How do you get more money? It's quite simple, actually. It's not always easy. Sometimes it can be, but it's very simple. And here it is. You need to solve a problem. Solve a problem and attach a money sign to it. All right? Charge a premium. There is one thing and one thing only the marketplace pays money for. That is to solve their problems. My wife bakes birthday cakes. If you have a 9-year-old and you want a birthday cake, but you don't want to make it, guess what? That's a problem, because you need a cake. Well, you call my wife, she'll make it, she'll charge you money for it, it'll look amazing, it'll taste great, and you'll have a great experience. All right, I had a company call me the other day. They wanted me to come in and talk on something that I'm known for talking on, and it solves a problem they have, so we're doing business together. All right, so think about it. Heck, if you just need an extra 20 bucks, can you grab your lawnmower and go mow somebody's lawn? Make somebody a cake, teach somebody something, tutoring, babysitting if you're a teenager or an adult, doesn't matter. 10, 15 bucks an hour some places. All right, but the thing is, you have to solve a problem. That's how people make more money. You have to solve a problem. So I want to ask you, what problem are you solving? If you want to make more money before you go to bed tonight, go solve a problem and charge somebody money for it, and you'll have more money.